Hi, in this video I want to give you some more insights into the Laravel showsql package. Laravel showsql package is a package to output a specific SQL to your favorite debugging tool, your browser, or a log file. I have a demo page with some statements run. This is like in a typical application, you run some SQL statements, mostly in a service class, and then you return something to a page. This is my output, and as you can see, you get some SQL statements. So we get 8 queries, returning the session, retrieving some menus, and updating the session because my session is stored in the database. Now, it's very difficult to look into one specific thing you are doing in your class. So let's assume that you want to see what this statement is doing, which SQL statement is running. Then you have to begin to search into all these statements. Okay, so the purpose of Laravel showsql is to highlight a specific SQL statement. You can highlight a statement on the query builder by running the showsql command on it. And if we now refresh our page, you will see that in your favorite debugging tool, that can be Laravel Telescope, the Laravel Log, Spatie Ray, Clockwork, Laravel Debug Bar, or your browser. So you can choose that. That is specifiable into the showsql config file. Default, we log to Ray, to Clockwork, and to the debug bar if they are installed. So now if we run that showsql into our browser, to our demo page, you will see that in the messages of the debug bar, we can see that one specific SQL statement. We also specified array in our config. So now, because I refreshed 2 times, we see 2 SQL statements. So with this package, you can zoom into the specific statement. Now we can do this on simple eloquent builders like this, or you can do it on more advanced examples like that. We have a where has, or we have a where ID. So on all this stuff, we can specify that we want to see them. Of course, we don't all want to see them, so let's remove this one and this one. And clear our array. So now we only see that one specific SQL statement. This can be very complex statements with several where statements and where has and whatsoever. They will all be rendered. So this was for the query eloquent builder. We can do the same for the query builder. So let's remove it from here and add it here. So if we run that, you can see that SQL statement. Okay, so it's highlighted here. If you want to do your own stuff with it, you can pass it a callback. So let's assume we want to do our own stuff. So we pass it a callback function, and it retrieves an SQL statement, and we can delete this SQL statement here. And so it's dumped to our screen. Okay, this was a quick overview of Laravel showsql. If you like this kind of content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.